In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your landing page in Google Ads. Updating your landing page, also called the final URL, is a simple way to make sure people who click your ads arrive on the most relevant, high-converting page. Maybe you've launched a new page, refreshed your site structure, or found a better match for your ad message. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the left-hand navigation and open the Campaigns section. This puts you at the top level so you can access the views you need for the change. From there, go into Audiences. Don't worry if you don't make any changes here. This is just part of the navigation flow in the interface you're using. Next, move into Keywords. This view shows the search terms you target and includes key columns for where your traffic lands. Look for the final URL column. This field controls the page users see after clicking your ad. To edit it, hover over the final URL for the item you want to update and click the pencil icon. That opens the inline editor so you can make your change directly without leaving the table. Paste your new landing page into the final URL field. Be precise here. Use the full URL including HTTPS and make sure it loads correctly. If you rely on tracking parameters, paste the full version with your parameters intact. It's also smart to match the page to the promise your ad makes. Headlines, offers, and calls to action should align so visitors immediately feel they're in the right place. Consistency helps quality scores and improves conversion rates. When you're confident the URL is correct, click Save. Your update is applied and will be used for future clicks. If you're adjusting multiple items, repeat the same edit for each one you intend to change so you keep your targeting and destinations in sync. A couple of quick tips before you move on. Double-check that the page is mobile-friendly and loads fast since most clicks happen on phones. Make sure the content complies with advertising policies and any regional requirements you operate under. And keep a short note for yourself about what changed and why. It helps when reviewing performance later. That's it. You've updated the final URL for your traffic, keeping your ads aligned with the right destination. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough whenever you need a quick refresher.